Have you ever wondered about the vacuum? This invisible force is not just a concept, but a fascinating reality that affects our daily lives. In this video, we'll unravel 40 astonishing facts about the world of vacuums that will leave you spellbound.
Fact 1. The term vacuum comes from the Latin word vacuus, meaning empty. However, in scientific terms, a vacuum is not completely devoid of matter.
Fact 2. A perfect vacuum is theoretically impossible. Even in space, there are tiny amounts of gas and particles present. Fact 3. In a vacuum, sound cannot travel. Without particles to transmit sound waves, it becomes completely silent.
Fact 4. Unlike most physical phenomena, the laws of physics behave differently in a vacuum. For example, you can observe objects falling at the same rate, regardless of their mass.
Fact 5. The vacuum of space is often considered an excellent insulator because it prevents heat transfer through convection and conduction.
Fact 6. The first artificial vacuum was created in 1650 by the German scientist Otto von Guericke using a vacuum pump. Fact 7. Vacuum tubes revolutionized electronics in the 20th century, enabling the development of radios, televisions, and even early computers. Fact 8. The concept of a vacuum has significant implications in physics, leading to advancements in fields like quantum mechanics and thermodynamics.
Fact 9. In a vacuum, liquids can boil at lower temperatures than you might expect. This is due to the lower ambient pressure.
Fact 10. When astronauts venture outside their spacecraft, they are technically in a vacuum. That's why they wear pressurized suits. Fact 11. Superconductors rely on the vacuum state to operate efficiently, allowing for zero electrical resistance. Fact 12. The Large Hadron Collider uses vacuum technology to accelerate particles to near-light speeds within its tubes.
Fact 13. In the vacuum of space, there are cosmic rays, high-energy particles that can originate from distant stars and galaxies.
Fact 14. The vacuum of outer space is not completely empty. It contains radiation, electromagnetic fields, and even dark matter.
Fact 15. One of the most interesting uses of a vacuum is in the art of vacuum packing, which preserves food by removing air that breeds bacteria.
Fact 16. Vacuum cleaners operate by creating low-pressure regions that suck debris into a bag or container.
Fact 17. Some industrial applications make use of vacuums, such as vacuum forming, which shapes materials using heat and pressure changes.
Fact 18. Vacuum therapy is a recent innovation used in physical therapy, helping with blood circulation and tissue rejuvenation.
Fact 19. The idea of vacuum propulsion could potentially enable advanced spacecraft to travel efficiently through space. Fact 20. In a vacuum, things don't decay or corrode as quickly. Hence, vacuum sealing is a popular preservation method. Fact 21. Some scientists theorize that the universe itself could be a vacuum state, leading to the exploration of concepts like the multiverse.
Fact 22. It was once believed that a vacuum was nature's ultimate state, leading to philosophical debates around nothingness and existence.
Fact 23. An experiment on Earth can demonstrate the effects of vacuum, such as dropping a feather and a hammer in a vacuum chamber, showing they hit the ground simultaneously.
Fact 24. Even the tiniest particle has a corresponding vacuum state that can influence its behavior and characteristics.
Fact 25. Understanding vacuum properties has led to developments in energy storage systems, like those used in electric and hybrid vehicles. Fact 26. In outer space, dust can agglomerate due to the weak forces remaining in the vacuum, forming celestial bodies. Fact 27. The vacuum inside a thermos bottle is what prevents heat transfer, keeping drinks hot or cold for hours.
Fact 28. NASA's Voyager spacecraft were designed to withstand extreme vacuum conditions, which included harsh cosmic radiation.
Fact 29. The phenomenon of spontaneous vacuum decay is a theoretical concept where a vacuum state may decay to a lower energy state.
Fact 30. The famous Cavendish experiment, 1798, indirectly demonstrated the influence of a vacuum on gravitational attraction. Fact 31. If you were to experience a vacuum suddenly, you'd most likely lose consciousness in seconds due to lack of oxygen.
Fact 32. Space missions must ensure their equipment can function in a vacuum, leading to the creation of unique materials and technologies.
Fact 33. Vacuum conditions allow scientists to conduct experiments that are impossible under normal atmospheric pressure, particularly in material sciences. Fact 34. In 2019, scientists created the coldest vacuum ever in a lab, reaching temperatures just above absolute zero to explore superfluidity.
Fact 35. The presence of a vacuum can enhance chemical reactions, leading to faster and more efficient manufacturing processes. Fact 36. Many high-performance light bulbs are created using vacuums to prevent filament oxidation and improve efficiency. Fact 37. Contrary to popular belief, vacuums don't suck. They create a low-pressure area that allows outside air to rush in.
Fact 38. Some mammals, like certain seals, can hold their breath and dive in ocean depths where vacuums exist due to pressure differences.
Fact 39. Ion propulsion systems used in spacecraft harness the principles of a vacuum to push fuel particles and propel the craft forward.
Fact 40. Get ready for this last mind-blowing fact. In a theoretical scenario, vacuums can be manipulated to create time dilation effects, bending the very fabric of space-time.